All right, this is an important step in the process. You're about to start talking to the franchise brands. Here's some tips on how to ace that first call. Remember, think of it as a two-way interview process. You're evaluating that brand to figure out if it's the best one for you. The brand is also evaluating you to make sure you're going to be a great fit as an owner. So you kind of want to put your best foot forward. Come prepared to that first call. You want to have reviewed the brand's website, looked at those materials that we've shared with you, and also a couple of key questions that you have early in the process. This first call, remember, is not the time to ask, how much money can I make? It's a little early for that. Get to know the brand, learn about their support. You're going to get to that question, we know that, but as you first start talking with the brands, we just want you to go in prepared and educated. We are trying to put you in the position of saying yes or no. We don't want to put the brand into the position of saying, well, I don't think that's the person for us.